Welcome back to another episode of Miles with Morris. In our last video, we drove from Kitchener, Canada to Niagara Falls and had an epic time.
Oh my God!
From there, we drove to Buffalo, New York and spent time touring the city. In this video, we will be driving from Buffalo, New York to Naples, New York to stay on a bus converted to an Airbnb. There's so much beauty in Naples that we want to share with you, so stay tuned. In case you're new here, we are Matt and Tat, and we're on a road trip with our 3-year-old son, Mark. We live in Florida, and we wanted to escape the heat and get to know new places, so we're driving all the way up to Canada, up to Maine, and then back down again, back to Florida. So if you're interested in videos like these, we go to a lot of playgrounds, children's museums, splash pads, libraries, anything to keep little Mark busy and then for us to enjoy the time as well. Okay, this is us before watching Perfect Match. As you can see, we're the perfect match.
With our orange faces.
Getting hydrated and our skin nourished. Doesn't really fit that well, so it's kind of hanging. Can you wiggle? We are headed to Naples, New York. It's out in the middle of nowhere. It's like a farm town. We're staying on a bus. It's completely off-grid. The bathroom is in the forest, so you have to walk a couple minutes to get to the bathroom, and it's a compost toilet, and there's no showers. I took a shower before we left. We got a cooler, which reminds me, we need to stop at a gas station right now and get some more ice. There's a little town there, so we could probably get something to eat there. I just try to get as much information as possible through the reviews and the Airbnb listing. Yeah, so just wanted to let you know that I'm a little nervous because we are going off grid and I haven't been off grid for a while, but it'll be fine. It's just 2 nights and then we're going to a cabin, which is also off grid. So it's going to be 4 nights off grid. If you like stuff like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and you can tap the notification bell too to be notified of our next video. Hey, just a bunch of farms, cows, hills. The American Legion for God and country.
Why is it raining, Mama?
Oh, it's because the sky wants to cry because it's so happy. This is Dansville. I'm gonna go to this liquor and wine place and get a bottle of wine to share with Matt.
That's a cool rainbow. Wow.
Through behind these signs, we can see it more, the valley.
That's where we're headed. To the land of gold. Naples, New York.
Just stopped to film this rainbow. So pretty. And those wind turbines in the background, it's just so wild. But this is here like this.
We're going to Naples, New York. Not Naples, Italy. Not Naples, Florida, but Naples, New York. And remember when we went to Naples in Italy and we had the best pizza ever?
Yes.
Yeah. We're going to a pizza place right now. Wood-fired pizza place. It's supposed to be really good reviews, so we'll see.
Wood-fired pizza is my favorite.
Me too.
What's the name of the restaurant?
It's called Naples Wood-Fired Pizza. Pretty easy.
Ow, I lost my shoe.
Oh no. Should I go to this place right here? some pizza, Mark.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is we're just waiting for a pizza right now. But they got some cool flavors. I got buttery pig. They have local beer.
To the bus.
To the bus.
To the bus, let's go.
We're gonna park right here. Whoa.
Go on the bus, Mark. Go on the bus.
Mark, can you give us a tour?
It's an old bus.
It
So old.
is old.
And it has old tires.
Can you go
How
inside
does
it?
it say old tires?
It says Vermont Joy Parade with a
Why does it say old tires?
let's see. Give us a tour, Mark.
What does it look like?
I see a driver's seat.
Oh,
Okay, what else?
You can ride the car, the bus.
yeah. You can
And
pretend.
that wind stripe for the rain.
That's right. You can pretend you're driving
And
the
why
bus.
is this stuff inside the bus?
Oh, those are some flowers. You like flowers, right?
I do. I found a table.
Oh, nice.
So clean.
So clean.
Yeah, and there's a little bit of dirt on here. And a little bit here.
A little bit.
Look, a ladder from our side.
Oh, this is the sink with water.
Yeah.
That's the stove.
And the freezer.
A freezer? What is that?
There's
Oh.
a vacuum in here.
There's
And
some
look at
more stuff.
sound. Look. I
That's a lighter. That's-
need to light it.
That's
No,
for
you don't need
cooking.
that.
This is for cooking, okay?
Okay. I need that to cook.
Yeah. Oh, there's your bed. That's where you're going to sleep.
Yeah. And I found
There's
three
another
beds.
bed if you have a sleeping bag.
And there's three beds. Three beds.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
there's a mirror.
Oh, there's a little lantern too.
And this is
And another
the
little closet.
Windows. These are the windows, heated glass. Oh, I see some fruit. I see some fruit back there.
You see fruit back there?
Yeah, let's
Oh,
look
you're
at
right.
that.
There's little raspberries back there.
I want to get the raspberry.
Ooh, yum. Oh, they're blackberries. That means you want to pick out the dark ones. All right, so Matt's going to empty the car. I am going to just put stuff away. There's some things that we're going to do before it gets completely dark in here. Light all the candles. Every candle that we can light, we're going to start lighting. This one is probably battery powered, so I'm going to save that battery because there's enough light right there. And there's one candle right there. Wait, what is this? Is that battery powered too? Okay, I'm going to keep that one on because there's no candle on this side. Okay, so since it's off grid, I also got some ice earlier. So I'm only going to open this when I absolutely need to. I have this bigger cooler here, but we tend to just keep all our dry stuff in here because the refrigerated stuff, we actually don't have that much. So it's all in there, and we actually went out to eat for pizza. It's funny, I filmed the whole pizzeria and I did not film the pizza. So, but that's how it is. Like when the pizza comes out, I'm so hungry, I just eat it. And then I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot to film that. All right, I opened the back door because it's a little stuffy in here right now.
Why did you open the windows?
Because it was so hot in here. Look
I want to be hot.
You want to be hot?
I like to be hot.
Well, Mark, we just are stuffy here in here. We're having a hard time. Can we keep it open just for a
Close
little
the door, Dada.
Okay, look, I put that on the floor because there's a little nail sticking out. So I asked the host if we can use a hammer to put down the little nail, okay?
Yeah, I went over it. I jumped over it.
You jumped over.
Watch me.
Okay. Whoa, you're good at jumping.
Yeah, I can do big ones now.
You can.
You hear him, Mike? You hear him?
I hear the piggies.
So wow.
They're loud.
They're a little stinky.
Little stinky pigs. Whoa.
They are so sweet.
Look at, she's gonna feed them, Mark. Look at them, they're so excited.
Oh, piggies. There we go.
Want to give them a scoop? Yeah. Okay, so pour it right in this black one. You gotta kind of walk over close and put it right in there.
I can't really reach. Too far away.
See, this is like a little handle. You want to try and hold on to that?
I
You
can't
can
really.
put your arm right through there, like this, and dump it. You want to try that?
Yeah.
Use it together. Good job.
Wow, Mark.
Until they find
You,
that.
you fed the pigs. Good job.
They're big. They're so dirty.
Are they dirty?
How they get dirty?
They love mud. Look at their mud hole they make by their water.
Whoa.
They just
Why
play in
are
there
they
and sleep all
eating
day.
it with their mouth?
Hey, look at the little chickens.
They're babies.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pretty soon they'll be big enough to come out in the grass.
Why are you doing that thing?
That's their water.
Oh.
Well, in the back, those are the spots where when they get big enough, they'll lay their eggs. But right now we put some boxes in there so they won't learn to just poop in there and stuff. And then when they start laying eggs, we'll open them up. And you know what we do? We'll put Easter eggs in there. So they'll go, oh, there's an egg in there. That's where I should put my egg. That's where eggs go.
Yeah.
That's how they learn. Isn't that funny?
Wow.
they're so smart.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
Look at them.
hungry.
Well, you know what they eat? They just eat grass. I don't have food to scoop for them like the pigs. They just eat grass. Sometimes in the winter they get hay and a scoop of food until they have their babies. But now they just eat grass. Can you see all the other ones over there?
And I want to see
There's
that
more
goat.
over there, Mark.
You want to go see the goat?
Yeah.
There's Maple.
They're all here.
Oh,
Here, Maple.
They're all-
Maple.
Maple.
In. Yeah, you can
She's
pet
happy
him.
that you pet her.
Yeah,
We
pet
should probably
her.
let you pick her up if you want.
Yeah.
This is a new addition for us.
That's
We've
a-
never had cats before.
And I found a pig at the pig's home.
What else happened in the story in the pig?
Can you tell another
The
story?
pig went and the bagger took the pig, and Mark was looking for the pig everywhere. And I turned up to find the pig.
And then what happened?
The bagger took it.
The bad guy took it.
Yeah.
How'd you get the pig back?
Yeah, I think the police got it.
Good morning, Mark.
Mama, this thing's broken.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's a pretend now because it doesn't work anymore.
Why is it that don't work?
Yeah, it's just a pretend bus. So you could, because it used to work, but it doesn't work anymore. So they made a house out of it. Good morning.
Well, it doesn't work.
So we had a little bit of wine last night. This
This
one is from a local winery. Oh, it's not local, but it's about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 15 from here. And it was rated really well. It was 50% off, so I took a chance on it. And it was really good. We broke a wine glass last night. So I'm going to tell the host about that. We made the beds. We slept pretty good. Did you sleep good, Mark?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Well, I'm trying to work the bus.
Oh, you're trying to work the bus.
Yeah. Well, the bus doesn't work. Why is it don't work?
Yeah, it's just a bus for us to sleep in. And look, I found a cute little space here for our toiletry bags. Good morning. So we are headed to the bakery today. The host recommended the bakery, and she said it's only open like a few days out of the week. So it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday from 8 until 3, and that's it. It's not open all week. I want to get there right when it opens because that's when all the fresh pastries are out. Here's the bakery.
Come on in. Welcome to the bakery.
Nice. No whining, no complaining, absolutely no frowning. Only hugs, smiles, and warm, fuzzy feelings in our lap. That's nice. Like it.
How is this all going?
No, I got 2 more.
So cute.
Thinking out on the deck? Sure. All right, we'll be out on the deck then.
It's a strudel muffin.
Let's go outside. Yeah. Welcome.
That's nice. Fresh cinnamon roll.
Very good. Beautiful.
There's no beach here, but there's a lot of houses on the lake.
Well, there's beaches here, yeah.
Oh, you really want to go on a beach?
There is
huh?
actually a beach here.
There's actually that beach.
Oh,
That's
it's
what it said in the reviews.
it's like a beach on the lake.
It's not a beach on the ocean, but it's a beach on the sand on the lake. You can
Oh.
go on. It's in a park area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is like fishing docks and stuff.
This is the fishing part of the lake. And
Okay.
then there's a beach part of the lake where people can lay out and stuff like that.
Well, that
I
sounds
wanted
fun.
that was a beach. I want to go to that beach. To that one.
Okay. Well, we can see about going, huh, Dada?
Yep. Now we're going to the waterfall, and then we can look into it. Yeah, there's woodpeckers up here.
There might be his sweater.
He found a black feather from a woodpecker, possibly. That might be his feather.
It might be his feather. It might be his.
Let's go look.
No swimming, but you know, kids, they just go when they want. Here's a sign. Home of the oldest fossil tree found and mounted by D. you like it? Hi! Whee! Okay, Mark fell in, but he doesn't mind.
Sky? Some clouds?
Here, let me see if I can get in there too.
You see it, Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see it.
That moment when you and your husband take out the camera. We're at this place here. It's called Roots Cafe. And they have a beautiful winery over here, and I just feel like running through it with a drone, so we're gonna do that. I mean, imagine just sitting over here. This is a cafe, so you can have some breakfast over here too, but let's see if we can do that. Look at this place. Isn't it beautiful?
Check this out. I'm dressed for the occasion. Yeah.
So classy. Oh, look at the dog, and it's a bar. Cool. So this table used to be at the fire station. Got some cornhole. So this used to be a fire station.
And used to be a fire station.
Oh, look, Mark! Whoa! What's that, Mark?
Fire truck.
A big fire truck! Whoa, that's a classic. It's a classic, Mark. Look at it.
Rochester.
Isn't that cool?
Rochester.
Maybe you want to go in the fire truck, like, and go on the wheel?
Anything up?
I'll hold your snacks. Let's see.
Oh yeah, there's boots here.
Oh, there's boots there and a jacket. Can you open it up?
I'll read it inside.
It says you must be supervised by an adult, which
Wow.
you're supervised. How about you go in there and sit down on the yellow chair?
Climbing up.
You can act like you're a fireman. You want to get in? Do you need help? You can do it. Whoa.
Close the door.
Okay, see you later. Have a nice drive.
Okay. All right, so what are you going to order?
More of this.
Oh, yay.
The Naples mule. And then I'm going to order...
How about mine?
Well, I was thinking about the smoked man fashion because I want an old
How
fashioned.
about
Let's see what that's like.
mine?
And then also on here, this one, the black cardamom fig whiskey sour. That just looks so good. And then we're gonna get some food. You're getting the classic burger, right? And then I'm getting.
Yeah.
Tired toddler, welcome to the
I know he is very tired.
Tired toddler.
I'm getting the
Smoked sausage.
smoked sausage right here. Yep. That's it. Okay, so Matt got a classic burger. Mark got a classic grilled cheese. And I got a classic sausage. It's a hot dog. There is a lot of music playing here. They're setting up right now. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell too to be notified of our next video. Thanks, and see you in the next adventure.